well, anti-stagnation device, which lets humidity in the bottom. But it sort of burns itself off over time too.
Yeah, because normally in like a window, if you get humidity in the window, it will actually etch the glass and reduce productivity of the window.
Yeah, so while this is here, it will be reduced a bit. But,
But like you get hot enough water will actually burn the glass from the inside.
okay, I haven't seen
And
that.
you can get etching in the glass.
Have you seen that?
I'm just wondering over a prolonged period of time how that would affect that.
You heard of that thing?
No, I've never heard of
You had yours up? Oh, that's something else I wanted to do in this talk, but I didn't do is, I was looking at the history of panels, and there's some company it was originally in California and moved to Florida around the turn of the century, around 1900s, that was doing panels. And some guy was trying to track him down, and he found a system in Florida that's still running. It's a 100-year-old system, but I don't know how many times they've replaced the glass on it. And I assume they didn't have a low iron tempered glass at that time. But I haven't heard of that problem, and I don't know how you would. So on the commercial panels, you could seal them better, I would think, because you feel the gap with insulation. But on this one, there's intentionally an air gap there. But I haven't heard of the glass getting etched. But I've only had this since 2007, so time will tell.
The flat plate, the air gap between the glass and the flat plate is sealed around the edge. It's just there is the flat plate doesn't go all the way to the insulation. There's a small gap around that perimeter of the air.
Like I don't think you'd want a sealed cavity because the temperature extremes would act like a diaphragm. The reason I backed up is this awning here has, you can see there's a line here. That's at a street light that this power cord goes to. So it's casting a shadow on this one. And then, I don't know if you can see it, but this house overhang is casting a shadow just on like a tiny shadow on the corner. I never saw it the first time I looked at the picture, but then I did the graph. And so that line through the panel is reducing the output of that by, it's about a third. And that tiny little tip in the corner is costing me 17 watts. And I would have swore it's just touching the frame, not even affecting the collectors. But I'm off topic here on TV. I think that's all in that. Oh, this was the Miracle House. This is this house over the last month. So the bottom one is the PV that was generated, and the top one is the electricity consumed net. So you should add these numbers to these numbers to get the true consumption of the house. And so in January it used 1.9 plus, it did 200 in the month of January. And the model was 300 and something.
262, I think.
But like you were saying,
the month was really cloudy.
it was abnormally cloudy up here, so I think it was on track. If the weather was on track, the system's on track.
And that's from Google Power Meter, that?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think, yeah, and that's it. These other forms are the CSA certification and the NRCAD statement for the panels. So that's all I got.
Good.